Fake system UI is not responding problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, tap on the about phone section and check for any updates available for your device. Now as you check on it, you can now go back and tap on the storage option over here. Make sure you have enough storage on your device. As you check on the storage, you can go back and then simply check your internet connection. After you check on the connection, what you can simply do is you can make a long press on power button over here. As you tap on power button, tap on reboot section, and when you tap on reboot, you'll be able to restart the device, and this might help you fix your system UI not responding problem. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. So see you next time.